Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to set up and customize Always On Display on TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. Always On Display is a screen typically displaying the clock when your phone is in like sleep mode. When you turn your screen off, it will still display the clock even though your phone's not on, and you can enable that. It will use a little more battery, but if you don't care that much about the battery and just want it, then feel free to do it. It's not going to use too much battery though, because it's an OLED display. So now if you go to the settings and then go to personalization, you'll find, as you scroll down, Always On Display section, and you can click on just this button, and then you can enable it. Once you enable it, it'll set it to the default one, but let's adjust a few things so we can actually customize it based on our preference. There are different options available, as you can see here. I think I just like this simple one. Now it asks me about the style, the text color. I could set it to these ones, and elements display like the battery percentage and the notifications. I'll apply it. Now what else is, you can enable suggestions, which are going to be like you can see some suggestions. And there should also be settings, but I don't really see the settings. So that is interesting. I should see them, but let's try it out, because I can't manage to find the Always On Display settings. But yeah, you can see this is a lock screen, right? But when I lock the phone, it's going to display the clock now. After some time, it will disappear to save the battery, I think. Yeah, but if I raise my phone, it is going to display it and not go to the lock screen. It's just going to display it. It will display this fingerprint overlay, so I know where to tap in order to unlock my phone. Or also, if I raise it, I can... No, I can't. It has to be enabled in the settings. But yeah, there's a setting that you can also enable to like double tap on the screen in order to turn it on. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.